Hey everyone, my name is Deepak, and today I'll be telling you the step by step process of how you can create a 3D action figure. But this time I will show you how you can create a 3D action figure using a hand palm because the figure will be placed on a hand palm. So, what I've done, I've created a Google Doc for all of you. I'll just copy the prompt and I will go to Google Gemini and I will select the tools bar option and I will click on create images and I will write and I will paste the prompt. You can write anything in this custom text, legend edition or vendor girl, anything. So what I've done, so what I will do now, I will just upload a reference image and I will hit on generate. We'll wait for 20 to 30 seconds for the image to be generated. It is very fast. You can also edit images with Nano Banana. It will replace Photoshop in the coming months. I think so. Yeah, it will. See this. What a beautiful image it has generated. So what I will do, I will just download the image and I will go to Google Gemini and I will select this create videos with view option. So what I will do, I'll just upload the reference image what I've generated from Gemini, and what I will do, I will just copy this wonderful video prompt that I've created for all of you, and I'll go to Google Gemini and I will just paste the prompt and I will hit on generate. It is generating. What I'll do, I will just select this. I will select the videos with option. We'll go to new chat. I will upload the reference image which I've generated from Gemini and I will just paste the prompt and I will hit on generate. Now it will take nearly 2 minutes for the video to be generated. So what I will do, I will tell you a hack. I've repeated this many times, but I will show it you once again. If you want a prompt for the image, nearly same exact prompt. So what I will do, I will just upload the reference image, the Gemini image which I generated from Gemini, and what I'll just write a simple one-line prompt. Give generate, give me the exact prompt of this image professionally. I will hit on generate. Now see, it will give me a nearly exact prompt. See this. It has given me a prompt nearly same. Now let's see if we can generate the same output or not. I will just copy this prompt and I'll go to Google Gemini and I will just upload a new chat. I have uploaded. What I will do, I will just copy the prompt and I will upload the reference image that I have with me and I will hit on generate. Now it will take. Now let's see whether our video is ready or not. It is still generated. Okay, it is ready. Now let's see the video. See what a beautiful video it has generated. See, this time it's the action figure is on a human hand's palm. So this is different. Now let's see whether it has generated an image or not. See, nearly same image it has generated. Same. Okay. That's it from my side, and thank you for listening to me.